Masruq says that while he was sitting reclined in the company of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha addressing me said, O Abu Aisha, it is Hazrat Masruq technonium. There are three things. Whosoever says even one of them will affix a tremendous falsehood to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. I asked what they were. She replied, first, whosoever says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam cited Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has calumniated Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Masruq says, I was sitting reclined but hearing it. I sat alert and submitted. O the believer's mother, wait a moment and let me say something. Didn't Allah Jalla Jalaluhu say, and undoubtedly he saw him on the bright horizon? Surah Takwir, verse 23, and say, and indeed he saw the splendid sight twice. Surah Najm, verse 13. The believer's mother radiyallahu anha whereupon said, among this ummah, I was the first one to ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about these verses. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that those verses refer to Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not cite Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam in his original form he was created except these two occasions. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, once I saw him while he was descending from the heaven and his body had covered the whole heaven and the earth. The believer's mother radiyallahu anha then said, have not you read in the Quran that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, eyes comprehend him not and all eyes are under his comprehension, and it is he who is the innermost, all aware. Surah Anam, verse 103. And haven't you read in the Quran that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, no human being has might to speak to Allah, but through a revelation, or that man must be blind or well, or he may send any angel, that he may reveal by his command what he pleased. Undoubtedly, he is high, wise. Surah Shura, verse 51. Then the believer's mother radiyallahu anha said, whosoever says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has concealed something from the Quran has slandered Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, O Messenger, communicate to the Ummah whatever has been sent down to you in the Quran from your Lord. And if it is not so, then you have not conveyed his message. Surah Maida, verse 67. And whosoever says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam knew by himself without Allah's teaching about the happenings of tomorrow has associated falsehood with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. For Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, say you whosoever are in the heavens and the earth do not know themselves the unseen but Allah. Surah Namal, verse 65. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 438.